Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to integrate Mailchimp with WordPress. Well, to do that, go to Mailchimp's website, which is mailchimp.com, then sign up for an account and log in. Inside your Mailchimp account, create an audience or a mailing list for your WordPress subscribers. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins. Then go or click Add New and search for Mailchimp for WordPress. Install and activate the plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Mailchimp for WP settings. Then click on the Mailchimp tab and connect your Mailchimp account using the API key provided by Mailchimp. Customize your signups forms using the plugin settings. You can embed forms in posts, pages, or widgets. Decide if you want to enable double opt-in for added confirmation. This ensures subscribers confirm their subscription. Then test your form to make sure they work. Monitor your Mailchimp audience to ensure subscribers are added correctly. And that's how to integrate Mailchimp with WordPress. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.